Right guys, this is a little update for you for tomorrow's video. It's like a short. I've got everything set up for the class tomorrow. It's airbrushing for the beginner and we're on episode 5 and it's the first portrait. Now we are doing a grayscale portrait tomorrow guys. So I've got the image projected up. I've just done this now and gone round lightly with a pencil to get the key points to work from. We've got the reference on here that we're going to be using, so I'll go right next to me there. We've got the Creos PS270 I'm going in with tomorrow. That's all set up, and I've got some grayscale already pre-mixed up in bottles. Now I'm going to give you a little demo on sort of mixing a grayscale. Basically a little rough guide on how you can mix it. It's quite simple, but it can just take a lot of time testing the colours that you're mixing until you get them sort of to the value finder. But I'll bring that in the studio tomorrow and you'll see that, and I'll just give you a little talk through. But I'm all set up, so this will be up around 12 o'clock. It's not going to be a live stream. I can't sit here for a live stream, be like 2-3 hours. I'm just going to do a talk through. You'll see some live airbrushing and I'll talk you through bits. Then you'll see a little bit of time lapse, but if there's a time lapse that comes up, I will talk you through and point you out on the actual picture of what I did in that time lapse, so you don't miss out on anything as we paint this. So hopefully you can join me tomorrow. It'll be up at 12 o'clock. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe, press that notification, and I'll see you at 12 guys. Cheers.